A quick demonstration of the VICE PDB monitor's script panel feature. So, the use case in question. Just get this up and running for a second. So, we have a simple puzzle game. There's a grid 6 by 6. Now, for various reasons to do with optimization, code shrinkage, etc., but it's a 4K compo entry, I've decided to internally store it in an 8 by 8 map. This way the outer edge is always just a no-go block, and I don't have to waste any time checking bounds or making sure nothing overflows because it goes off the side of the screen, make sure it doesn't wrap around indexes, etc. Just disappears. However, I don't want to store my maps in 8 by 8 because that's a waste of memory. They're always the same. So I need to have some code that unpacks a 6 by 6 into the 8 by 8 map and then draw it. And I have to make sure my code properly steps over all the gaps and understands the gaps. Obviously the code here currently works, but let's just imagine it didn't. So, two things can go wrong, obviously. The unpack to the map could go wrong, or the drawing could go wrong. Or in fact, both could fail. So how do we make sure the map is correct? So we just go to VICE and use the normal method. We get this. And because my map is 8 by 8, this is not too bad. I mean, it's 2 lines per single row, but it's very livable. However, imagine you have something that's 5 by 5 or 11 by 11 or something that doesn't neatly fit. Looking at this and understanding what the map is a bit convoluted. So for here we can use the script panel. What we're going to do is we'll make a bunch of VICE commands to show us each line. I mean, you get the point. I'll just copy the rest. Now we do each line and I run it. And now we get each line as it's shown. It's a lot easier to understand. And you can now see there's the 5 and there's the 9, and then below it there's 0, 0 and a 4 and a 0. You can kind of see the map. The executing commands are a little inconvenient, but it's a step up. What I really want to do is be able to step through my code and then be able to watch it update each time. How do we do that? Well, let's just quit. I'll put a breakpoint in. So I want to put a breakpoint in after the store. Let's break and run. Okay, so now we've hit this breakpoint. Go to the script panel again. Conveniently, everything spawns off screen. And we'll just put this in. We do this, and then I just want VICE to go. So I'll run this, and I'll print the map. Then it goes again. We can see everything here is all 8s, because it hasn't drawn the map yet. Well, it's drawn the first one, which happens to be 8. Go again, 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 again. Not the best example. I probably should have made the map not have 8s on the top row. And there, we have our first 5. Now we have a 9, and then an 8, and an 8, and an 8, a 0, a 0, 4, 0. As you can see, we can just step through this and watch it build. Now, if this was I write this once, it's done, I'm never going to touch it again case, this would be fine. But seeing as it's the core of the game, and obviously I'm going to be doing a lot with the map format to try and compress it as much as possible, this is something I'm going to want to check again and again and again and again. For that, we have a better method. We're going to use BDD 6502. However, for the sake of discoverability and people being able to come and just find the BDD 6502 video, I'm going to make this a separate video and link it on the card. See you in the next one.